Let's see how we can configure the JIRA adapter for the SAP Integration Suite. Today, we will explore how the JIRA adapter allows seamless connection to JIRA instance, enabling you to perform essential CRUD operations for your JIRA projects. To begin, open the Integration Flow Editor and drag the connector from the request reply to the receiver box. You will see a list of pre-shipped adapters and those available from the SAP Business Accelerator Hub. Scroll down to the end of the list and select the JIRA adapter. The General tab will provide you with basic details like HTTPS protocol used for communication with the JIRA adapter. Next, let's switch to the Connection tab. Here, you will need to enter the address of your JIRA instance. For authentication type, currently, only basic authentication is supported. You need to specify the basic credential alias deployed in the security material. Also, you can enable the reuse connection option if required. Next, let us move on to the Processing tab, where you can set the required configuration for executing operations. For this scenario, we will create an issue in JIRA. For the API version, currently only v2 is supported. You will need to select the entity as issues. Select the operation as create issue. Once you have finalized your required configuration, hit save and deploy. You can navigate to the Monitoring tab and enable Trace to view message processing details. Here we can verify that the create issue operation using the receiver adapter works successfully. This completes the configuration to make an end-to-end integration using the JIRA receiver adapter. This is how you can use the JIRA adapter to create all your integrations.